Have you ever noticed that when life feels overwhelming, your stomach tightens before your thoughts even form? Maybe you don't consciously feel anxious yet, but your digestion shifts, your appetite changes, something feels unsettled. Hi, I'm Dr. Heather from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. What you're experiencing isn't weakness, it's communication. There's a powerful two-way highway between your gut and your brain. It's called the gut-brain axis. And the main messenger on that highway is the vagus nerve. It travels from your brainstem through the top of your neck and into your digestive system. Now here's where this becomes important for you. Your gut makes most of your serotonin. It houses a large portion of your immune system, and it constantly reports to your brain about safety. So when digestion is off, mood often shifts. And when stress is high, your gut feels it. But there's another layer many people don't realize. The vagus nerve exits through the upper neck. If there's a subtle mechanical stress there from posture, birth strain, old injuries, that communication can become distorted. Not dramatically, quietly. And over time, quiet distortion changes how steady you feel. At Wellspring, we don't chase gut symptoms. We restore communication. So let's gently put this into practice. Before your next meal, pause, sit upright, put both feet on the floor, take 3 slow breaths. Let your body shift into rest and digest before you take your first bite.